Have you ever noticed how your energy levels can impact your mood and even your desire for intimacy? Let's be real. Life can be exhausting, and sometimes that spark just fades. But what if I told you that the foods you eat could actually bring back that fire and give you a natural energy boost? That's right. Food isn't just about fueling your body. It can also ignite that fiery confidence and energy in your intimate life. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, or beyond, your diet plays a big role in keeping things exciting. In fact, recent studies show that around 43% of women experience some form of sexual dysfunction at one point or another in their lives, and this number jumps after hitting the age of 40. But here's the good news. By adding the right foods to your plate, you can naturally enhance your mood, energy, and yes, your libido. In this video, we'll walk through the top 10 libido-boosting foods for women, and trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end because we've got a bonus tip you definitely don't want to miss. Your body and your partner will thank you for it. While these 10 foods can definitely help boost your libido, it's important to remember that diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Factors like stress, sleep, and exercise all play a big role in your overall sexual health. So, alongside adding these foods to your meals, think about making small lifestyle adjustments that will have a big impact. Learn how to manage your stress levels. High levels of stress can lower your libido. Taking time to unwind, whether through meditation, yoga, or simply going for a walk in nature, can do wonders for your mind and body. When you're relaxed, your body's natural energy and desire have a chance to shine. Secondly, exercise regularly. Exercise increases blood flow, releases feel-good endorphins, and boosts your confidence, all of which are essential for a healthy libido. You don't have to go all out at the gym. Simple activities like dancing, swimming, or even a brisk walk can make a difference. Plus, when you feel strong and fit, you're more likely to feel good about yourself, which can improve your intimacy levels. Thirdly, prioritize sleep. Lack of sleep can wreak havoc on your hormones and mood, making it harder to get in the mood. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Not only will this help balance your hormones, but you'll wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to tackle your day and your evening. And lastly, stay hydrated. Dehydration can leave you feeling sluggish and drained. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day to keep your body functioning at its best. Proper hydration also improves circulation, which is key for maintaining libido. You'd be surprised how something as simple as drinking more water can make a difference in how you feel overall. Now, let's talk about the top 10 foods that can boost your libido. Number 1. Dark chocolate. Let's start with a classic. Who doesn't love chocolate, right? But not just any chocolate. Dark chocolate is where the magic happens. It's loaded with phenylethylamine, a compound that stimulates feelings of attraction and euphoria. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that increase blood flow to vital areas, if you know what I mean. Just a small square a day can lift your mood and get you in the right mindset. Bonus fact. One study found that women who ate dark chocolate daily reported greater sexual satisfaction compared to those who didn't. It's like a little love potion in a bite. 2. Avocados. Avocados aren't just for Instagram-worthy toast. They're rich in healthy fats, folic acid, and vitamin B6, all of which are known to enhance libido. In fact, the ancient Aztecs referred to the avocado tree as the testicle tree. No joke. It helps balance hormones and provides a steady source of energy, so you're not running on empty when it matters most. Number 3. Watermelon. This juicy fruit does more than quench your thirst. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that increases blood flow and enhances arousal. Think of it as nature's answer to a libido booster. According to studies, it works similarly to how some medications do, but without the side effects. Speaking of side effects, unless you're allergic to watermelon, which is rare, you're good to go. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts like almonds and walnuts, as well as seeds like flaxseed and chia, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for blood flow and hormone production. And we all know that when your hormones are balanced, your libido tends to follow suit. The magnesium in these nuts also helps to calm your nerves, so you're more relaxed and open to intimacy. Number 5. Red wine. Here's one to enjoy in moderation. Red wine contains resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that improves circulation. A 2009 study even found that women who drank moderate amounts of red wine experienced greater sexual desire compared to those who didn't. Just remember, moderation is key. Too much wine can have the opposite effect. Number 6. Oysters. It's no secret that oysters are considered a natural aphrodisiac. They're loaded with zinc, which plays a critical role in the production of hormones, including testosterone. While testosterone is often associated with men, women need it too, in smaller amounts, to maintain their libido. Oysters might not be everyone's favorite, but if you're into them, they can be a libido-boosting powerhouse. Number 7. Figs. Figs have been used as a symbol of fertility for centuries. They are packed with amino acids, which play a crucial role in boosting libido and improving sexual stamina. They also increase the production of serotonin, which can improve your mood and make you feel more connected. Number 8. Pomegranates. These vibrant red fruits are more than just a tasty snack. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants that improve blood circulation and increase testosterone levels, which, as we've mentioned, is key for libido. One study found that drinking pomegranate juice daily improved sexual function and mood in both men and women. So, next time, swap that sugary soda for a glass of fresh pomegranate juice. Number 9. Garlic. Now, hear me out on this one. I know garlic doesn't sound sexy, but it's been used for centuries as a medicinal herb. Garlic contains allicin, which increases blood flow to your sexual organs. While you may want to keep some breath mints handy, it's worth adding a little extra garlic to your meals if you want to boost your libido naturally. Number 10. Maca root. It is often referred to as Peruvian ginseng, has been shown to boost sexual desire in women. Research published in BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that women who consumed maca root reported increased sexual desire after just a few weeks. Maca is available in powder form, making it easy to add to smoothies, coffee, or even your morning oatmeal. Plus, it has a mild, nutty flavor. Nothing too wild. Now, as promised, here's your bonus tip. If you really want to take your libido to the next level, try combining a few of these foods into your meals. Imagine a dinner with oysters, avocado salad, and a piece of dark chocolate for dessert. Your partner won't know what hit them. And here's the kicker. Studies show that making lifestyle changes like this not only boosts your libido, but can also improve your overall health. Who knew your diet could be so powerful? So, there you have it. The top 10 libido-boosting foods for women. Now, before you run off to stock up on dark chocolate and watermelon, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this one. And remember, stay tuned for more tips and tricks on boosting your health naturally, because when it comes to feeling your best, both inside and out, what you eat makes all the difference. Thanks for watching.